Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of saris with the stunning and stylish Anjana Rangan. Known for her elegant and impeccable taste, Anjana has become a true sari icon. Let's explore her best sari looks and get some tips on how to elevate your sari game. The beauty frequently dons silk saris, which are a staple in South Indian wardrobes. Kanjivaram, Mysore silk, and Banarasi are some of her favorites. These saris are known for their sheen and opulent designs, often featuring traditional motifs like peacocks, paisleys, and temple borders. She was seen in a rich maroon Kanjivaram sari with gold zari work, which she paired with traditional gold jewelry and a gajra in her hair. For more casual and daytime events, the beauty often chooses cotton saris. These saris are known for their comfort and breathability. Handloom cotton saris from regions like Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu often feature in her wardrobe. Anjana looked elegant in a simple white cotton sari with a contrasting black border, accessorized minimally with silver jewelry, making it a perfect choice for a relaxed day out or a casual event. These fabrics lend a modern and stylish look, with their lightweight and flowy nature. Her choice of saris in these fabrics often features bold prints, delicate embroideries, or subtle embellishments, perfect for creating a sophisticated and chic appearance. A standout look was her pastel pink georgette sari with minimalistic sequin work, paired with a designer blouse that had intricate back detailing. These saris combine two different fabrics or patterns in one sari, offering a unique twist. Anjana has been seen sporting half and half saris that creatively mix traditional patterns with modern designs. She wore a half and half sari with a traditional silk pallu and a netted lower drape, blending old world charm with modern glam. Adding a belt to cinch the waist has become a trendy way to modernize the sari. The beauty has embraced the style by pairing elegant saris with chic belts, enhancing her silhouette and adding a contemporary touch. She wore a sleek black sari with a metallic belt at the waist, combined with a high-neck blouse, giving her an edgy yet sophisticated look. This draping style combines elements of traditional sari draping with the structure of a dhoti, offering a comfortable and stylish alternative. Anjana has been seen in dhoti-style saris, particularly for more casual or festive occasions. For a festive occasion, she wore a bright yellow sari draped in dhoti style, paired with a statement blouse and ethnic jewelry, perfect for a mix of tradition and modernity. From deep reds and royal blues to bright yellows and greens, her sari choices often reflect her vibrant personality. These bold colors are often paired with contrasting blouses and statement jewelry. She looked radiant in a bright red sari with a heavy golden border, accessorized with traditional temple jewelry and a bold red bindi. While she loves bold colors, she also experiments with pastel shades that offer a soft and elegant look. These lighter tones are perfect for daytime events or summer occasions. A pastel mint green sari with delicate silver embroidery, paired with pearl jewelry, gave her a fresh and ethereal look. Heavy embroideries, such as zari, zadozi, and thread work, are common in her sari collection. These embellishments add a touch of glamour and are often chosen for festive or formal events. For a wedding function, the beauty wore a heavily embroidered beige sari with intricate floral patterns, paired with a matching blouse and statement jewelry. Beyond plain silks and cottons, Anjana explores textured fabrics like brocade, velvet, and jacquard. These fabrics add a luxurious feel to her saris and are ideal for special occasions. A brocade sari in deep green with gold motifs and a velvet blouse highlighted her love for rich textures and traditional craftsmanship. Instead of traditional blouses, Anjana often pairs her saris with crop tops, which offer a fresh and youthful twist. These tops vary from simple, sleek designs to more elaborate, embellished pieces that add flair. She wore a floral printed sari with a plain, off-shoulder crop top, blending casual elegance with a touch of glam. The beauty sometimes layers her saris with jackets or capes, adding depth and drama to her ensemble. This layered look not only keeps her warm during cooler events but also adds a regal and sophisticated touch. For a winter event, she draped a sari with a long, embroidered cape, creating a majestic and modern look that stood out. For casual outings or regular workdays, Anjana chooses comfortable yet stylish saris. These are usually in lighter fabrics and simpler designs, allowing ease of movement while maintaining elegance. A soft, printed cotton sari in a muted blue shade with a simple border, paired with minimal jewelry, showcased her effortless style for a regular day at work. During festivals and weddings, the beauty opts for more elaborate saris with rich embellishments and vibrant colors. These saris are often accessorized with heavy jewelry and styled with intricate hairdos. For a Diwali celebration, she was seen in a bright orange sari with heavy zari work, accessorized with traditional gold jewelry and a decorative hair bun. At high-profile events or red carpet appearances, her saris are nothing short of spectacular. She often chooses designer saris with unique cuts, luxurious fabrics, and bold embellishments. She turned heads in a shimmering metallic sari with a stylish, structured blouse for a film awards night, paired with bold makeup and statement earrings. These include classic cuts with traditional embellishments such as zari, beads, or embroidery. They often feature high necklines, three-quarter sleeves, and back hooks, exuding timeless elegance. She paired a deep green Kanjivaram sari with a heavily embroidered maroon blouse, complete with traditional motifs and rich textures. Anjana is equally fond of modern blouse designs, which might include off-shoulder cuts, halter necks, backless styles, or blouses with cape sleeves. These designs add a contemporary edge to her saris. A sari paired with a high neck, sequined blouse with sheer sleeves offered a chic and modern look, perfect for an evening event. Known for their delicate and sheer texture, tissue and organza saris add a touch of ethereal beauty. They are often adorned with light embroidery or prints, making them perfect for formal daytime events. The beauty looked angelic in a pastel blue organza sari with subtle floral embroidery, paired with a simple blouse and pearl jewelry. Linen saris are celebrated for their comfort and casual elegance. Her linen sari choices often feature soft colors and minimalistic designs, ideal for a relaxed yet stylish look. A beige linen sari with a contrasting red pallu and border, paired with a simple red blouse, highlighted her understated yet chic style. The actress sometimes opts for a single color from head to toe, creating a streamlined and sophisticated look. This monochromatic approach is often elevated with textures and accessories. A deep navy blue sari with minimalistic design paired with a matching blouse and statement silver jewelry gave her a sleek and elegant appearance. Mixing bold and contrasting colors is another of her style signatures. This technique adds a vibrant and playful element to her sari looks. She wore a sari with a bright yellow body and a contrasting pink pallu, paired with a green blouse, creating a striking and lively ensemble. Her choice of jewelry varies with the sari and occasion. For traditional saris, she often opts for temple jewelry or heavy gold pieces, while contemporary saris are paired with sleek, modern accessories. For a traditional look, she wore a set of heavy gold jhumkas, a choker necklace, and bangles, complementing her silk sari beautifully. Her footwear choices range from traditional jutis or kolhapuris with ethnic saris to high heels with modern saris. The right footwear adds the finishing touch to her outfit. She paired a contemporary black sari with metallic high heels, adding height and elegance to her ensemble. Matching clutches or handbags are often part of her sari attire, chosen to harmonize with the overall look while being functional. A designer clutch with subtle embellishments perfectly matched her embroidered sari at a wedding reception, completing her stylish look. Anjana often chooses traditional hairstyles like neatly tied buns adorned with fresh flowers or long, braided hair decorated with hair accessories. She wore a classic bun with a gajra around it, paired with kohl-rimmed eyes and a bold red lipstick, creating a timeless and elegant look. Contemporary saris are paired with more relaxed hairstyles, such as loose waves, sleek ponytails, or half-up, half-down styles, offering a modern and casual vibe. Soft, loose curls and natural makeup with a nude lip color perfectly complemented her casual linen sari look for a daytime event. The beauty sometimes experiments with bold makeup, such as smoky eyes or bright lip colors, to add drama to her sari look, especially for evening events. For a glam evening event, she chose a bold red lipstick and dramatic winged eyeliner, adding a striking contrast to her monochrome sari. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.